Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. So this is a Bengal kitty, I guess. I don't know them too well, but it's a cat crouching anyways. And I'm going 4 times the speed here and voicing over and just mapping in kitty shapes to start with. Just rough, correcting as I go. Yeah, I felt that butt end wasn't quite long enough. Needs to be even longer. That's better. And of course it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, the best drawings look drawn. The best drawings aren't perfect. It's those little imperfections that give them the character and charm. Get some lines in there to put some eyes in. And that cute little muzzle. And I learned finally with this one, I think I really should place the eyes before, but actually do the eyes before I put the nose in, because it never seems to fail. I almost always get the nose too far down if I put the nose in first. And that's why drawing and drawing and drawing, practice, 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 makes about as perfect as you can get. I hate to even use the word perfect because there's no such thing as perfection in the arts, but you improve with each sketch. We learn those little things and we carry that learning forward to our next one. Pupils. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment and I'll do my best to answer you. Let me know about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world. Just say hi, whatever. Yeah, that nose has to be up higher and smaller. We'll fix that up. Just picking away and adding the final details. I'm not super happy with that eye either. And now we're speeding up to 8 times the speed. Little smirk. I love to get a little smirk on my kitties. Now I'm just really strengthening up the lines that I like and playing up things that I want to be focal points. And as you can see, I use my eraser just about as much as my pencil for drawing, and sometimes I use my eraser just to lighten things, not necessarily get rid of them. Thank you so much for watching today. Lots more videos to come, so we'll see you next time.